Welcome to Asset Plant Machinery. Today we're going to overview our Steelmaster Industrial full hydraulic Panbrake. This is our SM-FHPB4004NC1, so it's a 4 metre 4mm mild steel, 2mm stainless steel full hydraulic Panbrake. Heavy duty build quality, we've got hardened ground fingers, solid stems, and this one has a E-fold programmable NC controller. So we'll run through some of the features. On the actual foot pedal controller here, we've got clamp, fold and release. We'll run through the NC controller shortly. We're just going through some of the build quality here. On the full hydraulic Panbrakes, we have a nice gap on both sides for doing particular return folds. We've got hardened ground fingers all the way across. The Panbrake folder has a really good selection of Panbrake segmented fingers. So these ones are about 350s, and then we run all the way down to some of the shorter lengths here of 250s, 200s, 100s, 60s and so on. We've also got the OH&S sort of front laser guards on this as well that meets workplace safety. Also we've got the adjustment for up and down to the apron, which some of the old sheet metal guys like to use, or we go to the side of the machine here and we have the adjustment to actually move the head back and forth. So see along the front angle blade there, so there's 4 metres of full hydraulic folding, which is fantastic for the commercial catering, architectural cladding and lots of different sheet metal applications. Behind the machine here we've got quality hydraulic fittings, as you can see there, your rams, all your fit-offs, low noise hydraulics just over there as well. On all of our NC1 and standard Panbrakes we also have a calibrated rack and pinion back gauge, so that's simply sort of moves in and out. We've got adjustable fingers across the beam there, and around this side here we've got the electrical control console. We only use quality fittings, Schneider, Siemens and all off-the-shelf fittings, and the controller just over here. So Kaylin will jump in now and sort of just give us a run through the programming of this controller.
So we've got a couple of things going on here. We've got a help screen with some info about using the controller. I've got a debug section for issues and a settings page. So for your normal work, you're running through this program list here. So what you've got on the program list is numerous programs that you can load up and save. So if we load one of these up now, you can see it's program number 2. It's got 4 bends in it. There's no notes on it at the moment. We can just load that up by hitting edit. You can see in this program the steps that we've got. So it goes up to 16 steps per program. And you can set obviously up to 120 degrees on that with the adjustment in the second column. So if I want to run that now, I can just go to run. This is our operating screen. From this page we can simply start the program, put it into automatic, and we can see on the screen here what we've got. Basically it's going to hold for 3 seconds at the top of the fold, the current position of the folding apron, the fold angle that we're going to achieve, and the adjustment required in the material to achieve that angle. So I'll just cycle it now. Clamp it. With the clamps, we can fold it. This is only 45 degrees with an extra 5 degrees. And as soon as it's opened the clamp, it'll cycle to the second step and you can basically repeat. So this will go to 90 degrees. That's about 3 seconds of hold time there, which can be shortened. And that's more or less as hard as the controller gets. So it's quite straightforward. Just putting in your angles and your adjustments for your materials, and then the machine will do the rest.
Fantastic. So that's our full hydraulic 4 metre 4004NC1 full hydraulic Panbrake. So jump on to assetplan.com.au for a full range of metalwork machinery. Thanks and have a great day.